Hey, what's good, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video, you feel me? So, quick story time. So yesterday, I go to start my 350Z, right? And the car doesn't want to start. It doesn't crank. The starter doesn't even engage. It don't even try to spin the motor or nothing like that. It's like as if my battery's dead, but my battery's not dead. You feel what I'm saying? So, I did some research, little researches on the internet and shit. And I think it's a, ignition relay or some shit like that, because hold on, let me show y'all real quick. Hold on, I think it's a relay. This was supposed to be the ignition relay, right? And I pulled it out and it has this crack right here. Now I don't know if that's enough to affect it, but it looks effective, you feel me? Like this is another one right here, but it doesn't look damaged. It has a little bit of moisture and shit. Hold on, the homie calling me real quick. All right, guys, my bad. But yeah, man, this one looks real damaged, bro. And hopefully this is the reason why my shit's not starting. I'm gonna show you guys here in a minute what it's doing and shit. But yeah, so I got the new one right here. Had to go to AutoZone and shit. Man, bro, let me tell you something. These little ass relays right here are $40 fucking son. $40 for this little ass relay. You know, it's the same one. Double check to make sure. But this little motherfucker here is $40. Let me tell you something. If this shit doesn't fix it, this is going back to AutoZone, bro. Fuck that shit. $40? I'ma stop complaining about it, man, because you know that's the part of the game, you know what I'm saying? You gotta pay to play. But yeah, so we're gonna pop the hood. I'm gonna show you guys where the fuse box is located at, you feel me? Because the 350Z, it has a fuse box behind the battery. Anyway, let me just show you guys real quick. Hold on. All right, guys, let me just show you guys real quick on what it does. So we got all this, right? Nothing, you know? And I usually don't have to push down the clutch to do it. And one of the issues were with other people I seen in the video. Give me a second, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. So there's this little, oh, manual cars, there's this little button right here. You'll have to press the clutch down to hit this button right here. I don't know if you can see it, this black button right here, right? Now there's supposed to be like a little, sorry there's no light, there's supposed to be like a little rubber grommet or a plastic piece right there. That way when you press the clutch in, it presses in this button, and you know that tells the computer, you know, it can start, you know what I'm saying? Y'all get what I'm trying to say? So I even held this down with my finger and still tried to start it, and I still got no signal, or you know, no car starting. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch the relay out. Let me show you guys where the relay box is located at real quick. So, you know what I'm saying, you take all your battery stuff off right here, and then you know what I'm saying, you have this little black thing right here, boom, take that off. And these are where your fuses are at, relay fuses or any other fuses you may need, you feel me? Yeah, so I think this is the ignition. This gray one right here is the ignition one. I had put it back just to show you guys how, you know, what it was doing and shit. So what we're gonna do is take that one off and put this new one on and see if it makes a difference or anything like that. And we'll get back with you guys. All right, man, what up, guys? This is the next day, you feel me? And I come to find out that I don't think my issue has anything to do with any relays or anything like that. All the relays are good, you feel me? So I'm starting to think it's my starter. You know what I'm saying? I feel like my starter failed or some shit like that. What I'm gonna do now is pretty much just change out the starter. I already went to go buy one, you feel me? So that's what we have to do. It's not hard at all to do. It's probably like three to four bolts. It's only 2 bolts on the starter, if I can remember. I know we took it out to do this transmission swap, but it's definitely not hard. So we finna do that real quick. This video is gonna be all on the GoPro, so it's gonna be a lot easier to record and show you guys what to do and how to do it, you feel me? So we got the jack stands and everything. We finna put the car on jack stands. We finna get under this motherfucker, take the starter out. Let's jack this car up, put it on jack stands, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, so we're under the car right now, and first and foremost, before you do anything with the starter, make sure you disconnect the battery cables, because you don't want to turn into no barbecue ribs down here. If you ground something out, best believe you're gonna be some barbecue ribs down here. Anyway, but yeah, like I said, sorry if it's too dark, but there's 2 bolts right here. See where my fingers are at? There's literally 2 bolts right here that's holding the starter, and then further up here is the ground connection. Damn, I'm sorry if you guys can't see, but it's literally this right here. This bolt, this nut, whatever. Boom. Undo that. That's the ground connection. Then you have your power connection right here. It's literally hanging right here. And then it's those 2 bolts. I believe they're 14s. I'll clarify that. Let me see, let me get my 14 and put it back there. Yep, 14 millimeter. It's a 14 socket right here, boom, boom. Take those 2 off. And then the starter should slide out. So let's get the starter real quick. All right guys, so we got our old and our new.
Ah! Oh, sorry.
Got our old and our new starter, finna slap it back in. Let's go. All right guys, so we slapped everything back on. New starter's on. Battery's back connected. Let's see if she actually fires up this time. Oh, we back in business, yo. Yes, sir. Man, look, let me tell you something. It started to rain bad as I'm doing this. So I'm like soaked in water right now, you feel me? But it was a starter, yo. It was a starter. And I'm over here thinking it's like the relays and shit like that. It's a starter. We're back in business. She's running. She started. We're good. All right, guys. So yeah, we're back here at my garage, man. You know what I'm saying? She's running now, bro. I'm so happy. You feel me? Because I thought we was gonna have some electrical issues, bro. No cap. And knowing me, I don't know shit about electrical. I know a little bit, but when it comes to electrical wiring or anything, I hate it, bro. I cannot do it. Now I take that back. I don't like doing it. You feel me? So, if you're having the same issue, you feel me? Like you try to go to crank the car and you get nothing. The battery's good. You know what I'm saying? Fuses are good. It's definitely your starter. I didn't get no symptoms of it like starting to fail out. It just died on me. You feel me? So if you're having the same issue, be sure to check your starter, and 9 times out of 10 it's gonna be a fuse or your starter or electrical issue. So yeah, with that being said, man, that's gonna be it for this video, man. I thought it was gonna be a fuse, but it came out to be the starter. So I hope this video helped you guys out. You know what I'm saying? I did see a lot of videos on YouTube, but it wasn't as I guess you could say technical or whatever. It was kind of like, I don't know, but it didn't, well, no, I can't say it. I can't say it didn't help me, but I kind of had to like do some more research after that. But like I said, if you're having those issues, it's one of those 3. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, you feel me? Hit that like button as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Started out with half and I flipped it in a double. Started out with half and I flipped it in a double.